Hi guys, I'm going to walk you through printing and specifically for your bridge project. Now I don't have a bridge project, so I'm just going to show you with my architectural floor plan because that's one of the more complicated designs that we have. But you're going to be doing this with your bridge project. And what you do is you come down here and you see different layout options. I was playing around on layout 1, so I'm going to pull up layout 2, and you should come up with something like this. And this is what would actually be printed on paper. Now, down here, along here, you can choose to do the paper space, in which you can drag your paper all around and you can zoom in and out on paper space. But in model space, this is when you can actually move around your model and you can zoom in on the model itself. So, a couple things we're going to do. One, you want to show your 3 views on one paper. And to do that, you go to the Layout tab right here at the top. And then you're going to go like clip, and because I don't want the whole thing. I don't want this whole thing to be just the whole page. Especially with your guys's, you have multi-views, so we want to see all 3 views on one. So what you do is you click clip, and then you select the viewport to clip, and that's that one. And then you press enter, and now you want to start the specified point. So I'm going to go right here, and then the opposite corner. It's right here. No. Okay, let's try that again. So, it did it for me a second ago, but what you can do is you can just do draw a square. I would recommend you keep 90-degree angles, because this is what's gonna design the viewport. So then that's there. Now if you want to do paper, now you can move the viewport. That move it? Yeah. And you can rearrange on the paper here. Now say you want to create another viewport because you want to show a specific detail. I want to show the library. So I want to come up here and I select my opposite. So that was again rectangular. And I'm in paper space. So I need to go to model space. And that will come down here. And I will show the library just like that. When I click out of it, I click paper, and that's going to show that. So I want you to show me your 3 views, and then you feel free to zoom in on any details. So say I wanted to see just the staircase. I would make another one, and I would zoom. I'm in paper, I have to switch to model. I would zoom in to my staircase. And what you can do is you can lock the viewport. And that will mean that even if I go to another one, I can't edit this anymore, or I shouldn't be able to edit it anymore. And so that will show you. So I want to see your 3 views and details, zoom in on details. You guys can change, if you're a model, you can change if a grid is available. So if you want to have grids or not, that would be great. You might also want to think about text describing your, no, I'll do that separately. But you might want to have text at least saying top view, side view, front view. So that's just a little bit easier. That's how you're going to do printing. And we'll go forward from there as I figure things out. But that's the basics of creating your object for printing. Good luck.